What's up, everybody? It's your boy Killer B. Hey, we finna get ready and roll up out of Little Rock and head back. You see the fellas getting their stuff together now. So you hear a couple of bikes over there already. I think that's Rob Reed over there, or King of the South, one of them over that way. But yeah, man, we get ready to head back up. You see the fellas? Yeah, we finna get ready to hit the road, man. Y'all look at our bikes, man. Look at the pollen on our bikes. That ain't no sparkle. That ain't specks in there. That's pollen. That's crazy. But yeah, we getting ready to head back. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all a good ride on the way back, y'all. Peace. What's up, everybody? Hey, we headed to the crib at our first gas stop. Got the fellas over there. But yeah, we headed back to Texas, baby. I'm ready to get home and sleep in my own bed. Love rolling, but I love sleeping in my own bed too. But yeah, we headed home. I'm gonna get some of this footage on this highway, y'all. Watch this ground pound real strong. So hey, I get it back up with y'all, man. Yeah, we just finished our first gas stop on our way back to Texas. Oh, it's been a lovely ride, but I'm ready to get home. There go all the fellas. Come on, B. What's up, everybody? We in Texarkana, Texas, baby, at the Texas Best Smokehouse. Yeah, we finna grab something to eat. We almost to the crib. We getting there, so I'm going here with the fellas so we can get us something to eat. Oh man, it's been a long journey, a long weekend, hey, but can't complain. Loving it. How you doing? But let me find out what I'm gonna eat, and I'll get up with y'all. Y'all see it, baby. We're at Texas Best Smokehouse. Some of the best barbecue around here. You see that? Yeah. Got beef jerky, all kinds of beef jerky if you want it, baby. Yeah. I'm gonna get over here and order, see what I'm gonna get. Try not to get too full, especially on this bike. But yeah, it's been a lovely ride. So, Buck, what you want to tell the people? What up,
though?
What up,
Stay
though?
pounding, man.
Yes, sir.
Glad to have this guy with us. Glad to have him.
Yes, sir. Yeah, we pounding real hard out here. So, yeah. But let me give me something to eat. These fellas get some chicken, y'all. We eat chicken. You know, you can't go wrong with us with chicken. You know what I'm saying? We love chicken.
Can't go wrong with golden chicken.
Can't. Oh, I love good with some chicken. Give me some of that spicy season mix.
Yep.
Yes, sir. So it ain't nothing wrong with a little golden chip. See, notorious one, y'all. We eat golden chip, baby. That's what we do. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we just having fun, man. Enjoying this weekend. Great weekend, man. Can't complain. Okay, now what you want to say to the people, man? What you want to say to the people?
I'm ready to get home, but it was a good time, boy. I'm ready to hit this ground and get on home.
I feel you, dog. Yes, sir. Yeah, I think we are ready to get home, because these fellas got to hit it again next week. Hit it to, what's it, wartime?
Going to wartime. We'll be at wartime. We get 3 days rest. We pulling out on Thursday. We back at it.
Yes, sir. So I ain't going to get to make this trip, so hey, it is what it is. I had a loved one in the past, so that's what it is, man. It's life, baby. So order me some. Get up with you. Mounting up, baby. We mounting up right now. Finna get ready and head back. Well, we in Texarkana, Texas, and we finna mount up, get on into the house, man. Everybody kind of tired, kind of beat. So yeah. See y'all later. Yeah, we just finished gassing up for the second stop. We're in Texarkana, Texas, baby. Not too far from the crib. Looking forward to seeing my family when I get to the house. Yes, I am. So we finna kick it, baby. Y'all enjoy this ride to the house, baby. We ain't got further to go. about 2 or 3 minutes from the house. I am tired. Yeah, I'm beat. Thank you, Jesus. Hey, what's going on? What is going on? My ears are ringing, y'all. Oh, my lordy. But I have made it home from another safe and blessed trip with Notorious Ones. Great ride. As you can see, I can't even hold my head up. My ears are just ringing. So I'm gonna make this short and sweet. I appreciate everybody for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my page. Man, that means a lot to a brother. So man, I'm tired. I'm finna get off this bike, unpack, and man, y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. I'm off tomorrow so I can get a little rest before I go back to work on Tuesday. Hey, y'all have a good one. Peace.